Hi everyone, hope you are having a good day. Today we are going to tackle this little microcassette recorder. So for the model, this is the M800V microcassette recorder with the VOR function, the voice operated recording function, forward and reverse microcassette recorder, auto reverse. So that's the look of the device itself. It's plastic, it's not metallic. And you do have, of course, the two speeds. All the controls are here, the pause button, and I did already change the belt on this one, but it did need a smaller type of belt. Alright, so as you can see, I did change this belt, but there is still another belt missing. Yeah, maybe this is gonna do it quite well. So this is the 18mm diameter one, and we do have, I think, a smaller diameter, 16mm. Alright everyone, so after maybe way too much work on this little device, I finally got it working, and I will just show you how. So you have to take a little circlip from the other side, from the capstan, to get this one out. Then we have another circlip right here. Alright, so the thing basically that was wrong with it, why it was only working in one direction, the reverse direction at that, is well, it's the motor transfers the motion to this wheel, into the capstan, of course. This one has a gear right here, which interacts with these gears, and this one, well, the short of it is this wheel right here transfers the motion to either this one for reverse, I think, or it's in this position right here for the forward direction. So basically it was stuck, it was not moving, it was always like this, so it was only moving in the reverse direction. So this is basically the spool, this is what moves the tape, and the other one is this one right here, and it's connected to the counter. So basically I just moved this one like this a lot until there was no resistance anymore, and it worked. But I'm not gonna leave it like that, it will only get stuck again maybe. So I'm just gonna try and clean the old grease with some alcohol and maybe put a little bit of oil in it. Gonna put a drop of this oil. It isn't exactly the right oil for this application, but it's gonna have to do. Alright, that's way better than it was. While I'm in here, I'm gonna clean the grease off of this one and replace it with some new grease. So now we put everything back in place. This guy in first. So it goes basically in this orientation. This is what blocks it. Needs to be pushed all the way in. And the spring acts on this lever right here. As you can see, it pushes it up. Alright, it's in. Alright, we put back the capstan.
Which is so constantly felt in the hills with a capital H. I'm glad Dr. Peyton, P-A-T-O-N, gave you a note of introduction.
Alright, it's actually working good.
Some risk in the...
Just have to find a circlip for that, for the capstan. Alright, I found it. So, I think we are done with the inside, so I'm just gonna put back the screws for the PCB. Alright, it's on.
Associations, etc.
So there you go, folks. As I do more and more of these devices, I'm kind of learning that it is rarely just the matter of changing the bells or doing one thing and the device magically works. It usually is the matter of a lot of mechanical parts and tiny mechanisms working together so that the whole system will work properly. In any case, hope that this was useful for someone. If you did like it, please leave a like. Otherwise, you can subscribe. And until next time, this was the Electron Age. Bye.